Ever wonder how AI can take a complex sentence like "Find me a cheap Italian place downtown that's good for a date night" and actually understand what you mean? It's not magic, but it is a secret skill, and today we're unlocking it. We are diving deep into parameter extraction, how AI translates your everyday language into data it can act on. This is key to building truly smart AI. Hey everyone, I'm Adnan. I show you how practical AI automation delivers results. We are talking cutting costs, saving massive time, and boosting profits for your business. My goal is to help you build your AI advantage, and understanding core AI mechanics like parameter extraction is fundamental to creating powerful, intelligent automations. AI chatbots, especially the ones that interact with data, can seem pretty magical, right? You ask something like, "Find red shoes under $50, and somehow it often gets you what you want. The user asks in plain English. The AI somehow understands the specifics, the color, the item, the price constraint, and then it queries a database or some other system. So, what is that crucial bridge between your words and the AI taking a specific action? That bridge, that a secret sauce, is a process called parameter extraction. This is all about turning your natural language, your everyday way of speaking or typing, into structured data that an AI or any computer system can actually use. So, what is it? Parameter extraction is the process of identifying and pulling out key pieces of information. We call these parameters or entities from unstructured text like a user's query. For example, if a user says, "Show me red roses that like full sun and bloom in summer," the AI needs to extract parameters like color, red, plant type, roses, sun need, full sun, and bloom season equals to summer. It's breaking down the sentence into its core components. Now, why is this process absolutely crucial for AI agents, especially those we want to interact with our business data or other systems? Simply put, without it, AI can't effectively interact with structured systems. Databases and APIs need specific inputs. They need to be told exactly what filters to apply or what data points you're looking for. They don't understand something cozy. So, the AI needs to translate a phrase like cozy cafe from the user into structured parameters like vibe equals to cozy, type equals to cafe, that a database query can use. This enables highly targeted data retrieval. You get exactly what you asked for, not a mountain of irrelevant information. And ultimately, it's what makes AI truly interactive and useful for specific tasks, moving beyond just general conversation. This was a key part of the AI agent we built in the previous video that could chat with business data. So, how do we actually get an AI, a large language model, to be a good parameter extractor? It comes down to effective prompting. It's both an art and science. First, clear role and task. We can start by telling the AI its job. You are an expert parameter extractor. Your task is to extract specific pieces of information from the user's text. Secondly, define target parameters. Be explicit. Tell the AI exactly what parameters you want to look for. Things like color, size, location, intent, product category, sentiment, etc. Third, specify output format. This is critical. You need to tell the AI how to give you the extracted parameters. Often, the best way is to ask for a JSON object. For example, output only a JSON object with the following keys: color, size, and maximum price. This makes the output predictable and easy for other systems like N8N to parse. And 4. Few short examples. This is incredibly powerful. In your prompt, provide 2 or 3 examples of a sample user query and the exact JSON output you'd expect for that query. This teaches the AI the pattern you're looking for much better than just describing it. And 5. Handling missing information. What should the AI do if a parameter isn't mentioned in the user's query? Tell it. For example, if a parameter is not found in the query, return null for its value in the JSON object. And an advanced technique is to provide valid options. If you actually know the possible valid values of a parameter, Including those valid options in the prompt for the parameter extraction, AI massively boosts its accuracy and reduces the chance of it hallucinating a value that doesn't exist in your data. Here is a quick demo setup inside N8N. So at first, here is our chat trigger node, then our parameter extractor LLM node. Now if we click here and actually see the system prompt, let me guide you through this. At first, we assigned a role. You are an expert AI assistant designed to extract structured parameters from natural language queries about plants or plant care. Your job is to analyze a user's query and convert it into a clean, flat JSON object with the following keys. So, of course, this will change according to your project. But for this demo video, we have chosen skill level, which can only be beginner, intermediate, and expert. Plant type, light need. So what's the amount of light the plant needs? Low light, bright, indirect, directional light. Is it pet safe or not? True and false. And the location type. So rules. If a parameter is clearly mentioned or implied, fill it with the appropriate value from the given options. If a parameter is not mentioned or cannot be inferred confidently, set its value to null. And your response must be a valid JSON object, only, no explanation and no markdown. Great, we also provided some examples for the few shot learning and how the JSON output should look like for teaching our AI. So at last we have included the user query by this, otherwise our LLM won't remember. Okay, so here it goes. Now we can actually test. For example, we can try with this user query. I need a pet safe indoor plant for my apartment that doesn't require much sunlight. I'm a total beginner, so something low maintenance would be great. Let's click here. Our LLM node is running. Great. So if we click here, we have selected output content as JSON. So this is a JSON body. And if you can see, it has actually extracted the parameters successfully. Skill level is beginner because I'm a total beginner. We say that. Plant type should be house plant. So yes, indoor plant. As you can see, so it extracted the parameter house plant. Light need, low light, pet safe, true, location type apartment. Great. So here it goes. After it extracted the parameter, if we come to the next node, we can use any of the extracted parameters very easily for anything. For example, if you want to route our workflow to different paths based on the condition. For example, let's say if the skill level of the user is beginner, we want to guide in that route, and if the skill level is not beginner, we can perhaps try a different path for handling things differently, right? So yeah, we can do anything here, and we can try with another example here. I need a cool plant for my balcony. We didn't provide much information here. Let's see what the LLM has done. As you can see, skill level is null because I didn't define any skill level. Plant type plant, light need null. I didn't provide any information. Pet safe null, and the location type here because I provided the location type. So that's how LLMs can extract parameters very easily. Of course, you can drag and drop anything anywhere, right? So what happens next after our AI has neatly extracted these parameters into a structured format like JSON? This structured data is now ready for action. The JSON output, as we saw in N8N, can be easily parsed. You can access specific values like JSON output color if the output was in an output key, or directly if the JSON is the root. And you can then use these extracted values to filter rows in Google Sheets or databases, construct API request URLs or request bodies to interact with other software, and feed into other AI tools or further decision logic within your workflow. This is the crucial link that allows AI to take targeted actions based on understanding natural language. So why is mastering parameter extraction so important if you are building AI solutions or automations? It's all about the power of precise understanding. It allows you to create truly conversational and responsive AI that feels like it gets the user. It dramatically reduces errors and misunderstandings that happen when AI tries to act on vague information. It enables much more complex and genuinely useful AI automations because the AI can now work with specific and actionable data points. And fundamentally, it's what moves your builds beyond simple chatbots into the realm of intelligent agents that can perform sophisticated tasks. Understanding and implementing effective parameter extraction is a cornerstone of building powerful AI agents. It's the skill that unlocks so much potential. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's the most complex set of parameters you have tried to get an AI to extract? Or what's a real world query you'd love to see an AI successfully break down into structured data? Share your challenges and ideas in the comments below. And if you found this dive into AI secret skill helpful, smash that like button. It tells me you want more content like this. And if you want more AI builds, deep dives into mechanics and strategies to elevate your automations, hit subscribe and the bell so you're always updated. Let's also connect on LinkedIn. You'll find the link in the description. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue to explore the amazing world of AI automation. Peace.